Of course, today we are going to learn again seriously. Of course, in our today tutorial programs, we are going to talk about like you as a programmer, you want to create an application for a university or for an institution like that. Like they are doing registration or like interview to see if that individual will be accepted or not. So you create an application like wherein the person will have access to users input series of information. For example, you ask the individual what is your name, the person enter, click on OK, enter your first name, enter your last name. For example, let's say in our college, in Canada College of Technology, you want to apply at that institution to study business and technology or computer science. So let's say there's an application that you have been asked to create. So you as a programmer, there are so many ways you want to do it. Just the only problem is how you think about to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it by using JOptionPane. JOptionPane also is another class library that we're going to use. So it shows you the user's input. That's why you have it shows message dialogs, show inputs dialogs. So the input dialog is where the user will have information like, for example, if you ask the user what is your first name, then the in-game will now put a name. Alright? And then the person now click on OK. Then enter your last name, enter OK. And then maybe in your institution you accept people with 5 credits and above. Then you ask the individual. Let me just explain. So, first of all, you have to welcome the individual. Welcome to the Canadian College of Technology. Something like that. Okay, in the application. With the college logo, something like that. Okay? And then you ask the individual if there is you see a lot of process. You see application, so on the person click on application and then enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, something like that. And then the next option is you will also go in the area where you talk about like how many credits do you have. Okay, the person will enter. There is 5 credits, the person will say 5. Then the person go again and say, okay, fine. Which area of studies do you want, or which area of studies are you applying for? Then is it business and technology, the DIT, computer science, mass communication department, BA, is the business admin, something like that. So the person will now choose an option there. So these are all bunch of codes that you go about to apply such application. Don't always have to use the JOptionPane to do such. JOptionPane, okay? JOptionPane. You want to use this class to see how to do such program, because if you want to use JOptionPane, you see. And the person is accepted, you just say, thank you very much for visiting our site. We'll get on to you as soon as possible. Okay, maybe now later you may call the individual because you want to create a space. This will be somehow a very long coding, but not really somehow long again. So please just follow up. Let's go to a very good example and see how you go about to apply such application as a program. So let's go.
Okay guys, let me take you quickly through this particular registration that I was talking about. I said earlier on. Now I'm going to take you through this IDE, which is Eclipse. I'm going to see how I told you we're going to run this application. We're going to use JOptionPane as our class library to do this particular coding. Now I'm going to give you tips as I explained earlier on the whiteboard. Now I'm just going to give you a tip on how you go about to execute your code. Okay, now I said it earlier, when you are being asked as a programmer to run a program to code an application that will for example, like registration in our university. For example, as an example, on Canadian College of Technology, I told you that you will be asked like to code on a particular application that somebody want to like make inquiries, or somebody like want to like enroll into the institution. So you create your application. So let me show you how to do this. So this is what I'm going to tell you how you go about to do the code. Okay, now before, earlier on in the previous tutorial, I told you go to file, but in this case I already have my project here. My project is hello world, and then as you can see here, this is my source code. My source code is here, and then inside my source code I have my package, which is a hello. Is the name of my package. So I'm going to create new Java project again. I'm going to create new package again. I'm going to create so I'm just going to create a class. So please, so I'm going to click on package. I'll just click on it. I will go to new, and then on new I will just click on class. I'm not going to create a class because the matter of you just be creating different packages, no. So I'm going to make use of this one package here. So I'm going to name my project as my class as ccmt SL. Yeah, is the name of my class. So this is Canadian College of Modern Technology, Sierra Leone. Okay, I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on finish. Okay, this is good. We have this particular environment pop up for us. So I'm going to clear this stuff. Okay, so now I said we are going to use what? JOptionPane. So I'm going to import JOptionPane for us. Import javax dot swing 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 dot JOptionPane. Okay, so I have import this JOptionPane. Then good. So this JOptionPane as a class library also. Okay, now of course, now this is our public static void main is our main method. Okay, and this curly brace opens here and closes here, and here is our method body. All right, so in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start. Okay, I'm going to start to do this coding. This is how it goes. This is just, I'm going to give you a tips on how you go about to do such code, and maybe you yourself, you may have other techniques as you'll be going through this particular coding, that this particular method that I'm going to use to code such application, like for a registration, somebody want to register or enroll in an institution or to make an inquiry. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to start now to say JOptionPane. Now when you say dot, so I want to show a message where in somebody, when the individual we are in the individual, we like say for example, so welcome the individual, so like say welcome to Canadian College of Modern Technology. So I'm going to do this. So now you say dot show message. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on none, of course this, and then I'm going to write here just to welcome the individual that is paying visit to the site. I'm going to say welcome to Canadian College of Modern Technology. Good. So this is how, like this, to show up in the message to the individual. All right, like welcome to Canadian College of Modern Technology. When the person will open the application at first, this will be the first information that will pop up to tell the individual that he or she is being welcome. All right, I omitted E here. So good. So JOptionPane.show message dialog box. So this message will pop up when the individual open. When I run up this application, this will be the first thing that you see. So click on OK, then you start to see another information. Okay, so we still need, now I'm going to use string here as a data type. I'm going to have this guy here, mn is the name of our variable. Then I will say registration I'm going to say CCMT, the name of my class, CCMTSL. All right, good. Then I'm going to say I'll say int, take 1 to be like this, and then I'll take this name of this variable that I assigned here. I'm going to take mn. I'm going to now take, and I'm going to assign mn because this is a variable and I've assigned nothing to it. So I'm going to say equals. I'm also going to take JOption, JOptionPane. This time around, also I'm going to say show input, right? I'm going to say now the show input. Oh yeah, show input. This time around, not show message, show input is what I'm going to do. All right, show input. Okay, no. Now what I want this time around here is very simple. I just want the individual to like tell us how he or she got to know about us. So that is what I'm going to do. So the person we choose from a list of various options. So like I'm going to say, please tell us how you know about us. You know about us, something like this. Please tell us how you know about us. It's a question mark. Then I'm going to make a list of options available for the individual to make it very easier for the person to be able to tell us how he come about to know, how he come to know about us. Please tell us how you know about us. So I'm going to make a list of options for the individual. So one, I'm going to say, like for example, I'll say TV, that is a television. Again, I'm going to concatenate it. Okay, so concatenate it. And number 2, I will say, for example, maybe by radio. Okay, because these are the places that most universities, colleges, they do adverts for people to know that they're existing. I'm going to also concatenate it, and then backward slash, oh yeah, quotation, backward slash, and then the reason why I'm doing this backward slash n is going to be like next line, because I don't want to do series of options like this throughout. So I'm going to make sure that all of them are going to be in these parentheses. They are here. These are my argument I'm passing here in these parentheses. These are all my arguments here. Okay, so but each of them will be on separate line. You see 1, 2, and so on. So now number 3 option is going to be like 3. Maybe I'll say, maybe the individual heard about us through newspaper. Newspaper, right? Then I'm also going to concatenate it. Okay. Then I'm going to make also another option, like maybe 4, I'll say through social media. Okay, 4, I'll say through social media, something like this. Yes, because maybe the individual heard of us different means. So social media is also another means of making advert. And then maybe the other means, I'll just say to shorten this code, I will just have to say other means. So the person will tell us, this is 5 now, 5 other means. Okay, 5. The person maybe somebody told him, a friend or a brother, others. So the person now in this case will tell us how really he or she came to know about us. Then I'm closing this with a semicolon. Good. Hope you understand it. All right. I'm going to use this int here is a data type and one is a variable. So I'm going to convert this particular string here into an integer. Okay, so I'm going to say integer. All right, I'm going to say integer dot present int. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to do this because I want to convert this string here to int. Okay, then I'm going to open a parenthesis here, and then in this parenthesis I'm going to pass in this data type here. So copy it, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so okay, this word like this, then the semicolon. Hope you're understanding. Then I'm going to use a switch statement here. TCH have to be small s always. Okay, so I'm going to name my switch as this variable here 1. So Ctrl plus C to copy and Ctrl plus V to paste, and then you open the brace and enter so that it automatically close. Hope you are getting it. Hope you understanding the way the coding is going. Okay, good. Now I'm going to start with the case 1. So it's an option that an individual will choose. Okay, case 1. Good. I'm also going to use this JOptionPane input dialog box so that the person will select from the various categories of options. Maybe the person want to make an want to inquires, or the person want to be enrolled, okay, for admission. So I'm going to say again JOptionPane dot, you see there's show input, also show input, turn on. All right, so inside here the person will select from the available. I'm just to say, like, please select from the available, please select from the available options. That's what I'm going to say here. Please select from the available options. Please select from the available options like this, and then I'm going to concatenate it and then put the series of options that the individual might be able to select from, and I will put n like previously, then I put 1 like this. Hope you're understanding. Good. What maybe 1, I'm going to say admission, and maybe the individual want to be admitted to the university or the college. Concatenate it again, and then I'm going to put 2 like inquiries. Okay, QRIES, inquiries. So then hope you're understanding. I'm going to like just end it here with this a semicolon. Good. I'm also going to say int n. N is going to be a variable, and int is a data type. In this case, before I do this, I am also going to bring in string here. String, this time around I'm going to take m. You know, m is also going to serve as a variable here. I'm also going to say ccntsl1 like this. Hope you understand it. Good. In this case also, I'm going to take another variable n here. Okay, this is int and this is variable n. Okay, Now, I'm also going to assign a statement to this variable here, m. This letter m. We're going to assign what? A variable to it, a value to it, something like statements to it. So I'm going to come down, say m here. This variable will be equals. Now I'm also going to use JOptionPane. Okay. After the individual have selected list of options, so we're going to say JOptionPane input also. So I'm going to copy this. C here, Ctrl+V, and then I'm going to take out what is inside here because it's not what I'm in need of. Okay, so therefore I'm going to take it out. Inside here, what is there is not what I am in need of. Okay, so I'm going to take it off totally. Let me just start from here, then I will take it off. So what really do I need here? So let's say if the individual, like case 1, if the individual selects, for example, admission, then I'll tell the individual below are the available departments. Please select your areas of studies. That is what I will do. I want that to happen really. So that is for case 1. Okay, so I'm going to write this statement. Please select your area of studies. Okay, then I'm going to concatenate this. Please select, no, for example, like something like this. The person will now select. Please select. Okay, I'm going to tell the individual below are the available. I'm going to tell the individual the kind of department that we have. So the person might be able to like click from the options available by him or herself. All right. So let me just try this. Let's say below, instead of select, below are the available department. Below are the available department. So the person now, I will tell the individual to please select your areas of studies. Please select your area of studies. Okay, now I'm going to concatenate it so that everything will be in these power tenses here. All right, so I'm going to concatenate it /n. 1, I'll start with our own department which is the business information technology. Yes, this is my department, information technology. Then I also concatenate it /n. Then we say 2, we have the computer science. We also concatenate it // and we'll say 3, I'll say business administration. Then I'm going to concatenate it. Concatenate this. I'm going to say 4 mass communication. Mass communication. And then I'm also going to concatenate it. This /n. I'm going to say 4, no 5. This time around is 5. Then I'm going to say agriculture. Right? I'm going to say also something like this, concatenate it, /n. 6 now, accounting. So these are the available courses or department that we have at the Canadian College of Modern Technology. These are the available ones. Okay, we have 6 courses department available at our college for now. So we have the business information technology, we have the computer science, we have the business administration, mass communication, agriculture, and accounting. Okay, so the person now will select from these areas. Okay, good. Still continue. I'm also going to like convert these. I'm going to assign, but I'm going to convert this one into an integer also. Okay, so I'm going to say n will be equals the same thing that I did here. Okay, so copy this, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, and in here I'm going to change it. Good. Then this is how it's going to work. Now I'm going to open another switch statement, other case. Okay, this is the main switch here. Okay, here this will be the first option, the individual tab 1. Then to take, that means the person here was talking about admission, and then this will pop up below at the available department. Please select your areas of studies and you see those areas. Okay, hope you understand it. Now I'm going to open another switch here. I will name this, I'll open my parentheses, and I'm going to put n. I'll open another curly brace. Automatically you will enter, it will close. I will now start again. Case 1. Good. I'm going to put JOptionPane show message first to tell the individual, are you sure you want to apply? Okay, so if the person press 1, then definitely the 1 will be for the individual press 1. Definitely that particular for example, if I press 1, that means business information technology is what I want to study. So you ask the individual, that would be the first message the individual will select. Are you sure you want to apply to the Department of Business Information Technology? The person will click on OK. The person will continue the work. That is what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to copy this, JOptionPane show message, copy this to save time, C, Ctrl plus C. I'm going to come down here, Ctrl plus V to paste. Then I don't want this one here, so I'm going to take this one out. So now this is what I'm going to type. Are you sure? Sure you want to apply to the Department of Business Information Technology, like this. Okay, now this message will show up, and then the individual need to confirm this if really he or she wants to apply to this department. Okay, and then no sooner the person confirm this statement, then we go now to the other areas. Now this area is going to be like, we ask the individual to like enter his or her first name, her surname, the family name, the middle name, the sex, the telephone, the address, the date of birth, next of kin, something like this. All right, good. I hope you're understanding this. Let me take you through quickly what I'm saying. Now I'm going to continue here under this case. Now it's going to be show input. I'm going to copy this. Yes, I'm going to copy this to plus C. I'm doing this to save time. So I'm going to like paste. So I don't need all this bunch of statements inside this particular parentheses right now. So I'm going to take it out. This is not what I want. Okay. So like I'm going to ask the individual like to enter his or her. Let me say to enter the first name, or like to enter the family name, your sex, something like that. So like I'll say enter your first name, enter your surname or your family name. Okay, enter your surname, because it has to be first all the time. Okay, surname or family name. Okay, something like this. So I'm also going to copy this, because this is why we're going to use show input dialog, because the person will have the opportunity to be able to type in something like enter your surname. The person may have, because show input dialog will bring up a particular box that you'll be able to input. All right, you know, like show message, you are in the message pop up. The image doesn't have any does not have access to type. But show input, then you have access to input. Okay, you copy again. I'm going to ask the individual to enter. This time around, it's going to be enter your first name. Enter your first name. Okay, good. I'm going to paste again. I'll ask them to enter your middle name. Okay, middle name. All right, I'm also going to paste. Ask the individual for the sex. Okay, sex, whether male or female. Sex, I'm going to concatenate it. Right, I'm going to concatenate it. I'm going to say and it's male stroke female, something like that. Male like this stroke female. Yeah, so the person will select from these options available. All right, I'm going to enter, paste. Then I'm going to ask the individual here again to enter the telephone number. So just say your phone number. Phone number. Okay, so the person will enter the telephone number, and now again I'll ask the individual to enter email address, if any, because most people does not have. Say, and now we say like email address. So this one will be like if any, maybe because there are people they do not have. So I'm going to put inside here as a continuity to say if any inside here, if any, so that the person applying may not be scared. Maybe I'm going to make this optional. If you don't have, no problem, you can still skip up and then your work will continue. Okay, I'm going to say to enter a permanent address. Okay, I'll ask for a permanent address, right? You're going to enter your permanent address. Yes, this is what you're going to do. Okay. I'm going to also, in this application, I'm going to ask the individual to enter date of birth, colon for date of birth. I'm going to also put in another. I'm going to also say maybe like this, enter, I'm going to paste. I don't want this. I'm going to ask the individual to maybe like marital status, tell us his or her marital status. Okay, whether you are married, you have to tell us. We don't know. Tell us your marital status. You tell us your marital status. All right. I'm going to paste. Here would be like next of kin. Here's going to be like next of kin, right? We are going to talk about this briefly, so that maybe if you have a next of kin, you will enter the next of kin, the name of the next of kin. So I'll ask you for your next of kin. Next of kin name, next of kin, then here I'll see for the name. Okay. I also have to do this here. I don't want this. I'll ask you for the address of next of kin. Address for next of kin. All right. Then I'm going to enter again. I'm going to paste. Here will be the telephone or number of your next of kin. Okay. Yes, telephone. You are going to enter the telephone. There's a phone number. Sorry. Telephone of next of kin. Also enter, so that, and then we continue. I'm also going to enter, paste. Here I'm going to take this one out again. Now you are going to enter your program of studies. Okay. To enter your program of studies, we'll concatenate it. We have in our college, we do BSc degree, we do have national diploma, we do ordinary diploma, we do certificate courses as well. So I'm going to select. So I'm going to concatenate it. Something like this. BSc. Then we have something like this. We have HND, which is the national diploma, which is the high diploma. I'm going to say look. Then we have OD, which is the ordinary diploma, and then we have certificate. Okay, we have certificate courses as well. So you might also be able to figure it out which programs of studies you are applying for. Paste it. I'll ask you in this case to enter your subject and grades on your result. You are going to enter your subject and grades. Okay, subject and grades on your result. All right, good. I'll ask you again another thing to do in this particular application. Now you're going to enter names of referees. Okay, so I'm going to enter, then I paste, and then I'm going to ask you to enter names of referees. Okay, just 3. You enter the name of these referees with their addresses as well and their occupations. just 3 of them. So I'm going to ask you to do this again quickly. You are going to enter 3 names of what? We'll enter 3 names of reference, right? Sorry. Yes, 3 names of what? Reference, and then you put their address, and then their occupation. You are going to put their occupation as well. Okay. So we'll put this in the upper. Now, in this case, I hope you're understanding. Please, while you are following the lesson, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and then don't forget to like our video. Okay, again, I'll ask you one more thing to do for me. That maybe you have once attended a tertiary institution. If not, you might skip it. If you have, you enter the name of the tertiary institution that you have been before. Okay, so you are going to name of tertiary. Maybe you have been in a tertiary institution before, right? So we don't know, but you are going to tell us. You are going to tell us the tertiary institution you have been there before. Name of the tertiary institution, if any. That is what it's going to be like, if any. So parentheses here, I'm going to say if any. If any, right? So that will not scare you. So then the level you attain there is what you are going to tell us. Whether it's a degree, it's a HND, it's a certificate, it's a diploma, you want to tell us. Okay, good. So level attain. You want to tell us a level you attain there. I'm going to also ask you this question. I'm also going to ask you this question for you to tell me name of secondary school that you name of secondary school. Secondary school, right? Then you are going to tell me the level you attain at that particular secondary school you attended. Okay, so see, paste here. Then now I'm going to use show message. Okay, after you have gone all through this, now I'm going to use JOptionPane show message dialog box. This one, after you have finished, you will receive a confirmation to tell you that your application has been submitted. Like for example, I'll tell you, thanks, we shall get on to you as soon as possible. Okay, application submitted successfully, something like that. So that is the statement I'm going to pass in here. Okay, very good. Now thanks. Okay, so I'm going to tell the individual thanks for, like, thanks, we shall, something like this, we shall get onto you as soon as possible, right? Then I'm going to concatenate this. What I'm going to do here now, I'm also going to add another, tell you that application submitted successfully. Okay, submitted successfully. Something like this. Okay, so this is for case 1. That is, if the individual applying for admissions, the individual might now select. If the individual select 1, then it is for business information technology department. So that's why here the message will come, are you sure you want to apply to the Department of Business Information Technology? That's why you are seeing here. Now let's go to case 2. But before I go to case 2, I'm going to put a break here to case 1. I'm going to put a break here. Break. I'm going to put a break here. Then I'll come down here. I'm going to say case 2. Case 2 is going to be for the next department, which is computer science. But you know what? It's going to be the same information, just like whether you're applying for business information technology department, computer science, mass comm, accounting, business administration, agriculture. You need all this field to be filled out. So I'm just going to copy all these things here. Copy these things here. Because paste here. What I'm just going to change in here is this statement. Here, are you sure you want to apply to the department of, now it be computer science. Computer science. So this is the only difference. But each and every of this field here is going to be required by every applicant, whether you want to apply for business information technology, whether you want to apply for computer science, business administration, mass comm, agricultural, accounting. So again, I'm going to say case 3. Case 3. Enter. I'm going to copy everything. I'm just going to change also this one here to business administration. Business administration. Alright, I'm going to stop at case 4. I hope by now you might have got better understanding. So no need to type all this in again, because whether you are applying at other departments, you might need this field to be filled as well. Okay, so that is why I'm going to change this statement here. Now it is going to be Department of Mass Communication. Mass Communication. Good. I'm seeing an error here. Yes, because I have to put case 4. So I told you I'm going to stop at case 4. You can do the rest by yourself. Okay, please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and then don't forget to like our videos. I hope you are learning. Now let's run this application quickly to see what I was saying. So go to run. First, Control S to save. In Eclipse, Control 11 to run the program. Okay, let's see if this program will run. I've just done it that quickly, but I know it will run. So let's. Okay. Oh, so this is just going to be exactly what I was explaining on the board, so that when you want to run an application like this, I told you we can use other class libraries to do this, but I just want us to use JOptionPane as a beginner to learn something, how we go about to do it using switch statement. Okay, we are going to run this. Let's wait. Oh, good. Have you seen this? Welcome to Canadian College of Modern Technology. That is the first message when you open this application, when you are running it. That is why we have it here, show message here. You have welcome to Canada College of Modern Technology. Now if I click on OK to take me to the rest of the program, please tell us how you know about us. I'm going to say 1 by TV. 1. Please select from the available option. Now I want to get admitted, so I'm going to press 1. Below at the available department, please select your areas of studies. 1. Business information technology. 2. Computer science. 3. Business administration. 4. Mass communication. 5. Agric, and 6. Accounting. So I'm going to press 1, which is business information technology, which is my department. Say okay. Are you sure you want to apply to the Department of Business Information Technology? I'm going to click on OK as well. Enter your surname. My surname is Safa. That's our family name. Then you click on OK. Enter your first name, Ibrahim. Okay. I don't have a middle name. May. I'm a May. Okay, I'm not a female. That was the sex. Your phone number. So going to be +232 76304401. Click on OK. Email address. My email address is Safa Ibrahim 6@gmail.com. Right? Click on OK. Permanent address. Go to write 7 James William Street. Okay, Kenema. Okay. Date of birth. That is 4th March 1997. Click on OK. Marital status. I'm single. You know what? I'm single. Next of kin. I'm going to put success. Address of next of kin. Same. 7 James William Street. Okay, now. So you see, it go like this. Telephone number of next of kin 031 03 8311. You see this? You go again. Click on OK. Please enter your program of studies. I'm going to enter BSc in Business Information Technology. Alright, you say OK. Enter your subject and grades. I'm going to start with financial accounting, you see like this. A1, come on, say economics, B2, gonna say agric, say 6, something like this onto the end. I have others, but I don't want to waste time. So this is what you will do here. At this point, you enter all your subject that you have, your subject and the grades. So these are the grade A1, B2, so on and so forth. You enter them all. Well, you know what? I want to enter all because I don't want to waste time. So go to OK. Enter. Okay, so something I double this, I place it 2 times. Now I'm going to enter a referee's name. Okay, I'll put IBRH. I am Ibrahim Safa as a referee. Address. I'm going to be like 10 fat street. Occupation, let me say teacher. Something like this. You do that through on. You enter the name of the remaining 2 referees. Okay. Click on OK. Name of the actual institution. I have never been there before, so say none. Click OK. None. Then you come name of secondary school, Holy Trinity. Holy Trinity Senior Secondary School. That's what you write. Secondary School, Kenema. Okay. Level ascertained there. I'm gonna say the West Africa Senior Secondary School Certificate Examination. Say okay. Now, thanks. We shall get on to you as soon as possible. Application submitted successfully. I hope you understand, guys. This was exactly what I was saying. So I know we might be asked to create an application like this to write a code that will show a registration or admission detail of an applicant who want to apply to the university. I hope you might be able to run this particular code. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please like our videos. If you like our videos, share with our friends. So this is what you will do throughout. Now let me run this program again quickly and show you something. Now this time around I'm going to select 2. The first one, let me see. Now this time I hear it by radio. Okay, I'll show you the different things here that we did here, so that we are going to understand directly what I'm talking about here. Run. Good. Now I'm going to say admission, because I didn't run any code for inquiries because I don't want to make this tutorial very long. Okay, so now I'm going to take 2. Let us see. When I take 1, it said I was asked if I really want to apply at the Business Information Technology. Now I'm going to take 2. Let's see what will pop up for us. Are you sure you want to apply to the Department of Computer Science? You see this? Good. So I'm also going to say this time around I'm going to say okay. Let me say this. I'm going to also say admission because I haven't run any code for inquiries. Okay, so admission. Now I'm going to pop in 3. I'm going to pop in 3. Are you sure you want to apply to the Department of Business Administration? So that is it. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoy our videos, and please always subscribe to our channel. I'm Abraham Safa, a student of the Canadian College of Modern Technology, a 4th-year student. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends.